Someone once said, success is bounded with hardships, and every step will be full of challenges. But the LEADTEK firmly convinced that the future will only be a never-ending path of exploration. LEADTEK has developed from a small factory to a leading enterprise in the pipe fittings industry. From the initial finished product processing to the whole production process, this is a great leap. For more than 20 years, we are deeply cultivated the pipeline values field, continuous innovation to create more series of products. We went from zero to hero, constantly break through the limits and seeking for more possibilities. Every innovative change in structure and performance has undergone precise calculations and inspections. We firmly believe that every step we take now will leave a brand new mark on the blueprint of our dream. We have been considering how to manufacture the fine product, how to control the product cost, and bring maximum value to the customers. We focus on technological innovation, continuously update our equipment. We strive for excellence in every detail of production, relying on the strength of innovation and technology to improve product quality and production efficiency, and to introduce automatic production lines to effectively improve productivity. We focus on the details, carefully consider each production process. We focus on the quality, accurately control the inspection of each process. We also focus on each small and subtle difference. Constantly revising values to produce products with a higher standard. We are closely connected with our customers and innovate collaboratively, expand the market from Zhejiang to the nationwide, and then from the nationwide to the world. Relying on excellent product quality, constantly exploit a new business territory. We supply more professional services to our customers with higher quality product and technical support. We undertake responsibilities and dreams, keep up with the times for pioneering and innovation, address ourselves to be the world's well-known brand and technological manufacturer of fluid pipeline industry. We will never stop helping the innovation and development of world's valve pipeline industry. This is LEADTEK.